Hi guys, with another video. This is the watch Ebel, Ebel watch, Swiss watch, and I would like to show you guys how you can replace the battery. So what you need for this uh, operation, this is the tool that I use. As you see, there is a prong here, one, two, three, watch case opener, and this side you just adjust this bottom one that you can bring this prong right place, which here there is yeah, channel or whatever you can call here, and then you just put it there, these three prongs. Then you just clockwise you turn it and it's gonna open. Then after that you reach the destination. I mean, you reach the battery, and yeah, you have to adjust the bottom. Yeah, everything you have to adjust. Here there is adjustment too. You can adjust two prongs that bring the exactly that channel that you can open the case. All right, now it's you just turn it. When you lose it, I mean, when case is lost, and then you can continue with the finger. Just turn it. Yeah, this is the way. Let's open it. All right, yeah. Here's the battery right here. I think this battery is move quickly. I think it's not the right way sitting in the place, battery place. But somehow I don't know, it was working, and then I will replace the battery and go ahead and give the customer. So let me yeah, you need to look to what kind of battery, what size battery is this. There's numbers on top of this battery. You need to have a loop, this kind of, and you can check it out. Battery size is written, and same thing you have to put the inside of battery place, and this way you can replace the battery. So here's the one here that I'm gonna put the new one, just push in the place, and then bring the case, put it on top of that, just like you screw the screw. Yeah, just like a turn with the finger. Then after that, if holds little bit, oh sorry, just continue to find exactly the place. Now it's you do okay with the finger. That's it. It's not turning anymore. Then you get this tool and put it exactly the same channel, and screw. I mean, tied it. Then after that, it's done. You need to tie it little bit more, not too tight, but you need to tie it. Yeah, because you don't want a problem, right? So this is it. This is the Ebel watch, Swiss watch, and I just show you how to replace the battery. This is the Swiss watch, and thank you for watching. and see you soon with the another video. Alright guys, bye.